Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to increase your productivity and your daily tasks. First of all, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses based on the input you provide. Now, let's get started with how you can use ChatGPT in your daily tasks. Step 1. Creating to-do lists. ChatGPT can be used to create a to-do list for the day. Simply give it a prompt such as create a to-do list for today and ChatGPT will generate a list of tasks based on your input. Step 2. Research and note-taking. ChatGPT can be used to help you with research and note-taking. For instance, if you're reading an article or book, you can input a summary of what you've read into ChatGPT, and it will generate a summary based on the input. Step 3. Writing emails and messages. ChatGPT can be used to write emails and messages. You can provide the AI with the context of the message, and it will generate a response that is both grammatically correct and contextually relevant. Step 4. Generating ideas. ChatGPT can also be used to generate ideas for projects or creative endeavors. For example, if you're stuck on a project or need inspiration, you can input a prompt such as generate ideas for a new project and ChatGPT will generate ideas based on your input. Step 5. Learning new skills. Lastly, ChatGPT can be used to learn new skills. For example, you can input a prompt such as teach me a new language and ChatGPT will generate a lesson plan to help you learn the language. So, there you have it. These are just a few examples of how you can use ChatGPT to increase your productivity and your daily tasks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.